Good morning, students. So, we are doing the chapter Mole Concept of Physical Science. We are doing question number 14 today, which says you have to show one atomic mass unit is equal to 1.6603 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. But before we start doing this sum, we should recapitulate the idea of one atomic mass unit. We have seen that if you take 12 grams of 6C12, that is C12 isotope, it will contain Avogadro number of atoms, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This number of atoms will be there. If you pick up only one atom from these many atoms, and if you divide this into 12 equal parts, and finally pick only one of these 12 parts out, then this is considered as one atomic mass unit. When we learned the definition, we have simply written that one atomic mass unit is equal to this. But here you have to prove this one. So how to prove that? You can see that 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, that is the Avogadro number of atoms of carbon 12 isotope, has got the mass 12 grams. So one atom will have 12 by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, this many grams, right? Now if this is the atom, this is one atom, and if you divide this into 12 equal parts and take one part of it, then we can write it as 1 by 12. So this many atoms will have how much mass? 12 by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 into 1 by 12. Now this 12s will be gone, so you are getting 1 by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. If you convert this thing into grams, if you calculate this, then you will get 1.6603 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. If you convert this into kg, you have to divide this by 1000. That will make it 10 to the power minus 27. The same calculation is shown over here. It is a simple unitary method. Okay, so I hope that this workout is very clear. Now we are going to study question number 15, which says define relative atomic mass unit. The relative atomic mass or atomic weight of an element is defined as the number of times one atom of the element is heavier than 1 by 12 times of the mass of one atom of 6C12. What does it mean? Just now we have recapitulated the definition of one atomic mass unit, where we have seen that one atomic mass unit is defined as 1 by 12th part of one atom of 6C12, that is carbon 12 isotope, right? So if you take an atom of carbon 12 isotope, divide it into 12 equal parts and take one part out of it, then it will have the mass which is called one atomic mass unit. Now suppose you have got an element X. We do not know what element is this. Now if you find out that this atom weighs W, which is W by 1 times more, okay, then this is called relative atomic mass unit. Here we are simply finding out that one atom of this X, only one atom of X, is how many times heavier than 1 by 12th part of this carbon isotope. Okay, just understand this with the help of an example. Suppose your weight is 50 kg, say 70 kg, 50 kg is too less. Suppose your weight is 70 kgs and your friend weighs near about 80 kgs. In that case, if you find out that how many times your friend is heavier than you, then you have to divide 80 by 70. That will give you some value. That is defined as relative weight of your friend with respect to you. The same thing is being done over here. As we have done in this example, we have compared your friend's weight with your own weight. We have found that how many times your friend is heavier compared to you. The same thing we are finding over here also. We are trying to find out that how many times this atom of X element is heavier compared to this 1 by 12th part of this carbon 12 isotope. This is the definition, this is the main meaning, the definition of relative atomic mass unit. So go through the definition. I think the definition is very clear. Thank you. Take care.